Okay, so if we want to edit our paragraph or text, the best way to go about that is to use the editing tool up here on the left with the plus sign beside the WordPress icon. We expand that. We have our blocks. It allows us to edit text. And we have the option, we've done heading before, but we're now looking at paragraph. So if you want to introduce a paragraph or add text to your web page, you'd simply click on the block and drag it into your desired position. Once you do that, it will populate and you can start to type in your text. Okay, so I now have simple text. This is a sentence. And if I hover over it, it infers a dialog box. And moving from the left, the dialog block box shows me paragraph, which is what this is. If I want to change that to another block, I can change it to a heading, list, quote, and so on. Next are the arrows to move it up or down. I can move it up above the heading or below the heading. So if I have it in the wrong position, I can reposition it. Then we have aligning the text. So it's at the moment it's aligned to the left. I can center it. There it is centered or aligned to the right. It is always best to align your text and your paragraphs to the left and keep all your paragraphs to the left. Don't change them on the page. Then you can format it bold or italic, and then you can add a link or hyperlink. So in other words, if you have a website you want to bring your viewer or your reader to, you can link a word or a phrase using the hyperlink feature to that website. There are more features in the drop down around adding footnotes and highlights and so on, adding inline images, and you can explore those yourself. So that's it. If you want to add a paragraph, you go to the menu and the plus icon, blocks, paragraph, drag your paragraph over, and then begin to type your text and format it as shown.